Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Guys, to get your skin glowing cream for your skin to be that baby soft smooth, we're going to be needing to use this, and this is vitamin C. So you're going to be needing vitamin C capsule. Okay guys, so I just finished crushing and blending up the vitamin C, and then I turn it into this small bowl, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It looks really good for the glowing baby soft skin. So I'm going to be taking the remnants from the little mortar. Alright, so this is it. The vitamin C is ready. So the very next ingredients we're going to be making use of will be this, and this is rice. Now you can either use your rice powder or you can use this boiled rice. So this rice, I boiled it already, and it is very soft, ready to be used. Okay, now rice has been used anciently for numerous benefits. It helps so much for the skin. It helps to lighten up and remove pigment. It helps to whoop out all of the dead skin cells on your skin that's clogging up your pores and making your pores look aged and darker than your skin. So to prepare this guys, I'm going to be getting my blender. I'm going to be blending this rice because we need that for the cream. Now, since I can't blend it this dry, I will have to be adding just a little water so it can enable the blending, and so I don't have to waste too much of time in blending it. Now, time to blend. Okay, so we're done blending, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to be sieving it out, because I won't have to be putting it like that. There are still some particles in this, so I have to sieve it out so that the body cream would be very smooth. So the sieve part of this rice will be very smooth, enough to use for the cream. Ordinarily I would have used the rice powder, but I don't have rice powder right now, so that's why I have to use my cooked rice. Alright guys, so this is it. Now I have to turn it into the vitamin C and then give it a stir. Oh my god, this is really good. The lotion is really smooth right now, although we're not done yet, but we're almost there. Okay guys, so we're actually going to be needing to use granules for this baby soft lotion. Now granules is similar to rice. It helps so much for numerous benefits onto the skin. It smoothens out the skin and creates a moisture onto the skin. It's just like onto honey. It removes the skin pigments and make the skin really soft. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be turning it into the blender, putting just a little water, and then I'm equally going to be blending it. Alright, so after blending this, now I would have to sieve it also, because of course you can see it is not properly blended to smooth, so I'll have to sieve it to get the smooth part out. Alright, so now I'm going to be putting the creamy granite cream into this, and then I'll turn it. This is how it looks like. The lotion is actually picking up. Okay, so the very last thing, the next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural skin moisturizing therapy. It helps for sunburn, dry and irritated skin. So it's going to help in giving us the results to this lotion. So I'm going to be squeezing in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this aloe vera into my cream. And then we'll mix it all up. Okay, so I'm actually going to be adding an oil. So I'm going to be adding this bar oil. Okay, it helps for so many benefits, like removing stretch marks. It keeps your skin glow, and it makes your skin super soft also. So after adding that, then I'll have to turn it, and our cream is ready. So with the help of the oil is not going to make this cream go bad. So here I have my lotion. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you have to rub it on your skin. See how smooth that is? It sinks into my skin, and it is super duper soft also. It smells really good because of this bell oil. See that? So you can rub this through onto your skin early in the morning before taking your bath. Rub it onto your skin very early in the morning. Now after which you rub it, you have to let it dry into your skin, and then you can go wash it off. Now the reason why you're washing it off is because of the rice. But if you are to use dry rice, you don't need to wash it off. This is basically going to be your lotion, okay? And it smells really good too. See how shiny it makes my skin look? So this is actually going to make your skin glow and really beautiful. So this is how it is. My lotion is set, and I'm going to be turning it into a jar or any airtight container. So how is your day and how has your week been? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually make rice cream, rice lotion. Now this rice cream is going to help you in making your skin look like milk. Your skin is literally going to be looking like milk. It's going to look soft and it's going to look like that of a baby's skin. Okay, this is an amazing lotion that I'm going to be showing you today. So keep your eyes on your screen, on your phone, on your TV, watching this, okay, so you could learn all of it, okay? So if you want to see all of the ingredients, stay put, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let me take you right into the video.